Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and today I'm going to be reviewing June's Birchbox and I'm super excited. I think it's going to be so cute. I'm so excited to get into it. Love getting new products each month. Alright, to start, let's just open up the box. Oh, so cute. For some reason, the name of this fruit is slipping my mind. I want to say papaya, but I'm not sure. All I know is I love the grid. It feels very picnicky and summery, and oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, oops. Okay, here's our little card. Summer is here. Also, I think I mentioned in one of my past videos that it was summer, and obviously we just got into summer on the 20th, so I apologize. Everyone, it is now summer. But here we have all our products on the back, and yeah, let's get to the first one. First step. Also, I really like the lime green paper. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have only gotten a repeat one time, I think, and this is the second time, and that's okay. You know, this is good stuff. Probably haven't tried it yet, so focus. Okay, so this is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Protective Primer. Full size is $28. This leave-in treatment defrizzes, detangles, and protects, leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Applied to clean, damp hair, then style as usual. So this is just a protective spray for when you're using heat styling tools. Okay, this is the Georgette Klinger Argan Oil Cleansing Gel. Full size is $24. This cleanser uses powerful botanicals and purifying cleansing oils to deeply cleanse and leave skin feeling soft, supple, and balanced. That looks awesome. I always love face washes. I'm always looking for new kinds and different kinds that may help with my combination skin, so hopefully this is good. Next, this looks super fancy and super cute. I love the packaging. This is the Hero Cosmetics Lightning Wand. Full size is $20, $19.99. Sorry, I rounded. This serum zaps dark spots with a trio of advanced brighteners, glycolic acid, and sheer color correcting tint. Use it 1 to 2 times per day until the dark spot looks brighter. I have a confession to make to you guys. I already opened it and I started using it because I just couldn't help myself, and usually I get my box mid-month and I do my video near the end of the month, but this I could not wait for, and it actually, I have been seeing some results on just some old scarring and stuff, so this is awesome. Here we go. This is Label M Diamond Dust Leave-In Cream. Full size is $32. Give your strands the VIP treatment with this lightweight spray that's made with black diamond dust to protect white rose petals to nourish, and champagne for some serious shine. That just sounds really interesting. There is literal diamond powder in here. Sold only in professional salons. I feel special now. Okay, this is the Perlis Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Full size is $35. And this is the first time sampling. Apply a thin layer of this brightening and exfoliating mask to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Green tea, lemon, and white clay work to reveal your best skin yet. Beauty through Asian wisdom. This looks awesome. I love face masks. I wonder if it's a wash off. I guess I'll find out. Now our last product is the Taka Florence Eau de Parfum. Oh my gosh, I just butchered that entire name. Anyway, this is the packaging. Full size is $76. This Parisian inspired scent is made up of top notes of grapefruit, bergamot, layers of jasmine, and blue iris, and a base of blonde wood and white musk. Sounds so fancy. I can't wait to use it. That smells really good. Ooh, I really like that. I'm not much of a perfume person, but I really like that one. It's very pretty too. And that was our last product. That was a great box. I really did love that. Very interesting, lots of new products and a repeat, but that's okay. But I had fun opening that one. I'm gonna enjoy using that stuff, especially the diamond dust. Who knows what in the world that is? If you have any idea, or if you have used products with diamond dust, please comment. Let me know how that went for you, and if you have any more thoughts on the box. And just want to thank you for watching. Also guys, this is super random, but I know I got some wise guys out there, some guys with a lot of wisdom and knowledge, and hopefully some that like journaling or working with journals. But I have 5 or 6 empty journals and I need something to do with them. So if you guys have any ideas on how I should fill my journals, please let me know. I just recently started a scrapbook, which I've never done before, and I'm really enjoying it. I also just have a normal journal where I do diary entries and stuff like that. But if you have any other ideas, please let me know down in the comments. And once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to comment any video ideas down below that you would like to see, and have a great day, guys.